12:10 p.m. this Sunday afternoon. Well, Hummingbird wanted to come up. Every time I walk out here, she wants to come up. July 13th, 2025, and I just stepped out here to see what we got occurring in the sky, and I don't know if we're able to pick this up or not. They seem to be moving a little bit, but we have these, what looks like waves up here. Can you see them? And earlier, I looked out my east window to see this up here, and there was some strange stripes near it, but I decided not to try to record. But yeah, we have these and yes, we have been having a little bit of air traffic. It's been kicking off, and we're talking some of those heavy rumblers. I tell you what, when this comes through, man, it's blinding. I mean, my eyes are literally tearing up just from the glare out here, even though that is being filtered. And I'm going to keep this short, as I plan on doing a few more sky observations. But yeah, partly sunny, partly cloudy, huh? And okay, so you decided to, alright, fine. Well, it's just kind of crazy looking up in here. Constantly changing skies, you know? And yet these strange waves here. And I don't know if you possibly, through a couple of videos back, clicked onto that link, or there was two links provided. And the second link, well, I guess in layman's terms, you need to have a bit of a scientific mind to understand what this guy was talking about. The Forbes, there you go. And at which he shows these images, thermal imaging images or whatever of aircraft with these orbs around it and everything. And believe it or not, you know, in past recordings, if you zoom in on some of these clear crafts that come over, you will see them shooting out what looks like orbs. And it's like these little bursts of you know, just a real quick ball of something that seems to come from the craft, shoots out a little bit, and then gone. And believe it or not, that is actually quite common in my recordings. And yet, you know, just nobody notices, especially if I don't point it out. But anyways, the reason why I bring it up is because with what he is speaking on as far as the waves and the electrons, and you try to connect the dots of how that is applied within within weather modification, manipulation, geoengineering, cloud seeding, you know, all of it. rolled into one, which basically, when it's all boiled down to one definition, you might as well classify it as terra reformation, because they are literally changing our climate, controlling it. Boy, she really wants to come up. Or maybe that's a male. We got yeah, I'm not sure which one that is. Kind of far away. But down, oh, we got two of them. Yeah, they're down there getting the mulberries that's dropped. My friends, right? Okay, so once again, yeah, now this is going on a little bit longer than what I had planned. Okay, so are we seeing some evidence here of what possibly flew through a structure? Hmm. And we're not supposed to get real hot today. I think somewhere lower 80s to possibly mid 80s, right around there. But yeah, that definitely looks like something cut through the clouds here, if you want to call them clouds. Okay. Oh, man. See, this is just all looking very. No, I still can't get used to it because this is nowhere near the skies that have been over my head for the majority of my life, right? Yeah, see, that's a trail. Okay, we got it now. Yeah, that was a trail. That's the shadowing. Okay, adding to the mix. There we go. Took a minute, but we got it. Yeah, you can definitely see. Okay, awesome. More proof in the pudding, right? And we will leave it at that.